Part 4. Transformer. For AC systems, transformer is a static machine which transforms electrical energy one circuit to another circuit without changing of frequency, either stepping up or stepping down the voltage. ট্রান্সফর্মার এসি সিস্টেমে ট্রান্সফর্মার হচ্ছে স্ট্যাটিক মেশিন। এই ট্রান্সফর্মার ইলেকট্রিক্যাল এনার্জি একটা সার্কিট থেকে অন্য সার্কিটে ও উইদাউট ফ্রিকোয়েন্সি চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, সেটা স্টেপ আপে হতে পারে অথবা স্টেপ ডাউনেও হতে পারে। ট্রান্সফর্মার ইনার সার্কিট কানেকশন ওয়াইন্ডিংস, ডেল্টা কানেকশন A1, A2, A1, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. These are tap change systems in connected switch. These are delta symbol. L1, L2, L3. Similar B1, B2, C1, C2. The delta is A1, B2, B1, C2, C1, A2. These are delta connected. These are laminated core, and step down is the secondary. A2, B2, C2 is sorted the neutral point in switching system to earth. Outer A1, B1 and C1. This is the LV side. This is star connected. Star connection symbol. This is a delta. Is the primary section is to connect HV and without change of frequency, then mutual induction and other secondary circuit to output. This is called transformer. Step down transformer. ডেল্টা কানেকশনে এইচভি সাইডটা প্রাইমারি দিকে দেওয়া হচ্ছে এবং মিউচুয়াল ইন্ডাকশনের জন্য এই স্টেপ ডাউনে এটা এলভি সাইডে চলে যাচ্ছে। Transformer nameplate tapping change nameplate voltage ratio at no load, switch position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are high voltage changing 33,000 volt, 33,000 volt, and HV tapping 4, 5, step down LV low volt 10,450, 4 to 6 tap changing 10,725, and 6 to 3 11,000, 3 to 7 11,275, and 7 to 2 tap changing 11,550 is if required, but standard is 11,000 volt, 11 kV. Transformer rating plate. Their manufacturing address, name, KVA, volt at no volt, load, no load, volt at no load, HV 33,000, LV 11,000, amperes, HV 26.25, LV 78.80, HV 3 phase, LV 3 phase. Diagram under is in the card. And type of cooling, oil natural systems. Frequency 50 cycles, no, and that's per Indian standard. Impedance voltage 5.5%. Vector group reference DY. D delta and Y. The primary delta and secondary star, the 11 group. Core weightings 30 kg, 3,000 kg, 3,000 kg. Weight of oil kg, oil fill up oil for cooling 2000 kg, total weight 8500, oil liters 2350 liters, and temperature maximum 45 degrees in oil. KVA in transformer KV ratings expressed generally, transformer is determined by its temperature rise caused by the losses in the machines. Copper loss depend upon the value of load current, and iron loss on voltage. Therefore, total loss of transformer depend on volt amperes VA. This is the ratings of KVA. ট্রান্সফরমারে কেভি রেটিংস এক্সপ্রেস করা হয় সাধারণত ট্রান্সফরমারের যে টেম্পারেচার রাইজ করে কার জন্য, বাই লসেস অফ দ্য মেশিনস, যে ওয়েন্ডিংস কপার আছে, ওয়েন্ডিং কপার ওয়্যার বা কপার ডিপেন্ড আপন দ্য ভ্যালু অফ লোড কারেন্ট, যখন লোড বাড়ে তার জন্য তার টেম্পারেচার রাইজ করতে আরম্ভ করে। এবং আয়রন লস voltage, iron loss meaning lamination core. Therefore, total loss of transformer depend upon volt amperes. For step down transformer primary winding side delta and connected high voltage terminal and determine A, B, C capital letter, and A red, B red phase, yellow phase, and C in the blue phase, and other side is the secondary star connected LV side, low voltage. Determine small letter A, B, C, center tap in neutral to connect at earth point, similar A red, B yellow, and C in blue. Amperes depend on load increase, also amperes increase up to transformer ratings. Cooling transformer is determined by its temperature rise, peak load temperature max. Therefore, the required cooling as on. Oil natural heat, oil flow from radiator upwards to downwards, so naturally cool as per. Frequency, as Indian electricity rules, standard frequency 50 cycles and tolerance 3% plus minus. Impedance voltage, primary transformer secondary windings terminal shorted, and primary winding terminal 2 to applied test voltage, generally to flow load current. That voltage called depend voltage. That voltage indicate as percentage. Small and medium power transformer impedance voltage 4.7%, 70% to 6%, and large power transformer impedance voltage 6% to 10%. Power transformer, the impedance voltage, this shorted circuit passes may applied for transformer windings. Vector group, three-phase transformer reference. Transformer vector group symbol DY11 means transformer having primary winding delta connected and secondary windings star connected, belonging to group 4 with plus
30 degree or minus 330 degree phases. Displacement between primary and secondary windings. Refer to this counterclockwise vector rotations. Symbolic vector group for identification of three-phase transformers. Group 1, capital letter, small letter, 0 degree. Delta, capital letter, small letter, 0 degree. Capital letter, small letter, capital letter, small letter, 0 degree. This is total symbolic of vector groups. Prevent of transformers. Precautionary measure of the against deterioration of transformers. Oil. Number 1, oil conservator tank, breathers, bookless relays, oil level indicators, also oil temperature indicators, accessories are fitted. Next, accessories measure to be analyzed.